Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can install, download and watch Fox News on Firestick. So the method is same, you can see is all the instruction about installation of Fox Now on Firestick. The same will go for Fox News. So you just have to follow the same instruction. Here you can see the complete step by step method how you will install Fox News on Firestick. So first of all, select the magnifying glass icon, then click search on the Fire Stick home screen. Here you can see the screenshot of this step. The second one is there. Type Fox News and click on it. Here you can see the type as Fox Now. But you type Fox News and click on it Fox News. Then select the Fox News title. Here you can see there are many Fox Now, Fox Sports, Fox News, but you have to click on this third one, Fox News. Then just click on this get option and just simply after installation, just open the app and just browse and enjoy the shows and videos. So this is how you will go for this Fox News on stick Fire Stick TV. Thank you for watching.